Hi, welcome to Tristan Safford Art. I'm Tristan Safford, and today I will be showing you how I personally do this. You may find a better way, but how I drill holes in rocks for jewelry. So the first step that I take is I clamp down my stone in a vise, and I make sure that I use some kind of padding, I've got some foam in here, and I just screwed it down tight so that this won't move at all, but is still protected from the metal of the vise itself. And then you see here I have a few different tools that you can use. So I generally start my hole with the tiniest little ball I can find, and then if I want a very skinny hole, I'll use this needle point or flame point. You can buy these diamond point drills. They work as well. It does just have to look at the thickness that it would create for the hole itself. And then there's this style, which is a really nice style for drilling out holes, but it is a bit thicker, and it depends on how thick of a hole you want in your stone itself. So with that, I'm going to set the camera on a tripod and we'll get started. Okay, so to get started, I am using the smallest round end that I have, and I have marked the spot on top of the stone in the front where I'm going to be drilling from. And as you can see, I'm using my Dremel Micro. We'll see how long this works, how long this will last before I have to switch out because the battery dies. Now I'm just going to go in and out, just marking the spot for the hole. I don't want to overheat the Dremel bit because it is a diamond and this is a very hard stone. This is an agate. The deeper the hole gets, the longer I hold the bit in. Once I have the hole about halfway down on this, wrong button. I'll go ahead and switch out. And this one I'm using the flame point. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do the same thing. Little quick motion. want to let the diamond do the work. I don't want to be forcing anything, so I'm just doing quick little jabs in the same spot over and over and over again. So we can check and see how deep the hole is getting. If we stick our tool in there and then bring it out and then set it next to the edge, so we can see that we're almost to the other side. So I'm just going to keep going. Okay, I'm well over halfway. So what I want to do is I want to take the stone out. And flip it around. And I'm going to mark it with the marker where the hole is going to be on the back side. Clamp it down. Change out my drill bit. I'm going to put the smaller circle back in. So I've gone ahead and I'm almost all the way through. I've switched out my blade to this blade to make a nicer, more round hole all the way through. I'm going to go ahead and switch back to this one. Now I like the hole to be bigger on the outside than the inside. I'm going to go ahead and go back on this with the triangle point and just even it out. And that's all there is to it. Now I am going to go back and clean that up so that it's a cylinder all the way through. And that's easy to do. I'm just going to take my ball and all I have to do is go right through it. Well, the battery is dying on this because it won't stay on, so it needs to get charged. But I'm done, so that's okay. And we got a perfect hole. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and happy grinding.